This is School Mentors and you're watching Munish Kishore. Well, last couple of episodes में हम लोगों ने बात करी multiplication of numbers closer to 100 with the numbers if both the numbers are less than 100 or both the numbers is more than 100. And the last special case was, or the case which is going to come to you in your exams is one less and one more than 100. So taking it a step further, today we will see how to do multiplication of numbers, and both the numbers, say x and y, both the numbers, they have the ones digit as 5. Here also, here also. So let's take up an example. Say we take an example of 65 multiplied by 85. So in this case, the ones place, and this is the tens place, so the ones place will have 5 in both the digits. So it's pretty simple. First step, if you look at it, 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. We straight away write 25 over here. Now the second step, so ones into ones, so that is going to be 5 into 5, which is 25, and we write 25 directly. Now the next step, जो है हमारा, उसमें हम क्या करेंगे, which is the bigger number in the tens place. In this example, we have taken 8 is the bigger number, right? So what comes after 8 is 9. Simple. What comes after 8 is 9. Now we will multiply this number 9 with the first digit, that is 6. So that means 9 multiplied by 6. So 9 6 are 54. We write 5 4 over here. But that is not the right answer, right? A small step has to be taken. That is the fourth step over here. The difference between the two tens place digits, 8 and 6, is 2, right? 8 minus 6 is 2. Now we take this 2 and we multiply it by 50. Whatever is the difference of these two 10 places digits, we multiply it by 50. So in this case, the multiplication is 100 and we add 100 to here. So the answer becomes 5525. That is our right answer now for 65 into 85. Let's take up another example. For example, let's take this time 45 multiplied by, say, 75 कर लेते हैं, 75, right? So अगर हम mentally करें इसको, first was 5 into 5, we write 25 over here. बड़ा number कौन सा है? 7. After 7 comes 8. 8 4s are 32. We write 32 over there. And the difference between 7 and 4 is 3. 3 times 50 is 150. We write 150 over here. And our answer becomes 3375. So that is the answer of 45 into 75. Let's take another example. So this time let's take 35 into 75. Okay, so last ones place digits, 5 5 is our 25. We write 25 directly over there. After that, after 7 comes 8. So 8 3s are 24. So we just write 24 over there. 8 3s are 24. Now difference between 7 and 3, the tens place digits, 7 and 3 is 4. 4 times 50 is 200. We write 200 over there, and so our answer becomes 2625. That is the answer for 73 into 35 into 75. So I hope in the last few episodes which you have seen, धीरे धीरे आपका जो maths का डर है, the fear of mathematics is slowly reducing. As always, do practice at home, and it just takes about 5 minutes of practice, and that's it. And slowly you will see within no time you will be able to do larger calculations as well. So thanks for watching this video. If you have liked the video, do share it with your friends, do subscribe to our channel, and thank you very much once again. Jai Hind.